Okay, today I'm gonna talk about how you can create an HTML file, an index HTML file, a CS file, a GS, and a CSS file. First, you need to have a GitHub account. So as you log into a GitHub account, you have to create a repository. After you create a repository, so from this repository, you can be able to create your index HTML file, your JavaScript file, or whatever you're gonna create. First, I already created a repository. Like you can see, the only thing is that I have to clone it. So go here your repository, you click here, and you need to get from Git bash, and the Git page gonna pop up. So for me, you can type git clone, git clone. So you have to clone the repository that you have created in your GitHub. So you paste it as you see here, and for me, you have to change the dictionary. So you have to change the path. First, it asks me for my key. So you enter your key. The key is not correct. I have to enter the key again one more time. Here you go. So you enter your key. So after you enter the key, so you have to change the path of your repository that you have created. So you're gonna put cd homework. That was homework, I think 100. Homework 100. So you change the directory of uh, of your uh, of your project of homework that you've created in GitHub. And from here, you can just tap touch. If you need an index HTML, so you tap index, touch index HTML. So you can combine them. If you need a JavaScript file, uh, just type touch, for example, app.js. If you want to create, for example, let me see, a test file, you can create that here, touch app.test. Test. Okay, so if you want to create the style file, for example, so you come here, tap touch index index the CSS. I don't remember CSS or whatever, so never mind. So this is the way that you can create any file that you need for your project or whatever. For me, just type code space period. So so you can see it in my Visual Studio. There you go. So this is my Visual Studio. So you have GS app, you have the test file, you have index.html. So this is a way that you can create, and you can see my app HTML, my index.html, and no, the problem is how you publish that in your repository. So you have to go back to your Git bash. Let me find my Git bash. You have to go back to your my Git bash. Here you go. And from here, you have if you make any change from